Hello and welcome to a new episode of KNIPEX Workshop TV. My name is Marius Schneider and I am part of the KNIPEX product management team here in Wuppertal, Germany. Beside our pliers wrench product family, I am also taking care of our combination and multifunction pliers. As a product manager, I work closely with end users about their tool needs as well as paying attention to the products in the tool market. One of my key responsibilities is looking to see how we can improve our tools to make daily tasks easier for the end user. Working closely with our engineering department, we are constantly looking for innovation and developing new tools. This is very exciting because in addition to improvements or developments of existing tools, it also happens that a completely new product is developed. And today I would like to present you the result of such a new product development, our new KNIPEX TwinGrip slip joint pliers. A pair of pliers which is going to solve a lot of problems in your daily work. At first look, you might think this is just another pair of gripping pliers, but it is more than that. Before I get to that more detailed, a brief explanation. Fasteners and bolted connections can be found in almost every machine and in almost every industrial product. They belong to our modern industry, and this not only since the first screwdriver got patented. There are fasteners in different size and well over 100 different drive systems. Common drive systems are, among others, Robertson, Torx, Phillips or Pozzi drive. All these drive systems have the same potential issue. If the screw driving tool is not inserted correctly into the drive of the screw, the drive can get rounded or destroyed. In addition to defects caused by deformation, the untightening of fasteners can also be made more difficult by corrosion, dirt or lacquer. The tool does no longer fit with the drive of the screw, so that the required force can no longer be fully transmitted. This damage on a screw or bolt isn't an issue if you don't have to ever remove it, but that is highly unlikely, because unfortunately it happens that the screw has to be loosened again. The internet is full of tips and tricks on how to solve this problem. Always crowned with more or less success, these tips all cost the same, lots of time. At the same time, the solution to the problem is quite simple. If the drive of a screw is defective, you have to grip the screw from the outside. And this is exactly the task we solve with our new KNIPEX TwinGrip. Because, as the name suggests, we solve two different gripping functions with one pair of pliers. In addition to the classic side gripping feature, we added a front gripping function. In the future, our new KNIPEX TwinGrip will support you even in the most difficult tasks. The front gripping teeth are designed to grip fasteners and bolts firmly from the outside. Due to the ratio of head length to grip length, we achieve an excellent transmission ratio at the jaws of the pliers. With this excellent transmission ratio, you can grip and loosen tight screws and fasteners easily. In addition, we achieve a very high stability and sturdiness by having a box joint design. The overall very slim design of our new KNIPEX TwinGrip gives an optimum accessibility to workpieces in very confined areas, typically found in the automotive sector, in mechanical engineering, but also in many other industries. With the fine push-button adjustment, known from our Cobra water pump pliers and our pliers wrenches, our KNIPEX TwinGrip can easily be adjusted to different opening positions. Our new tool offers 5 setting positions. With our KNIPEX TwinGrip, we cover gripping capacities on round and hexagonal materials from 4 to 22 mm or 5/32 to 7/8 inch. Another advantage when using our KNIPEX TwinGrip is having a firm grip on flat materials. Due to an asymmetrical design of the gripping jaws, we create a 3-point contact between the jaws and the workpiece. As a result, the workpiece is gripped firmly. In addition to the focus on gripping with the front, we have also thought about how we at KNIPEX can improve the lateral gripping of workpieces. The gripping jaws in the new KNIPEX TwinGrip have a unique tooth design to ensure an optimum force transmission when tightening and loosening fasteners. The ergonomic shape of the pliers grips not only offer a comfortable handling, but also an anti-pinch feature to protect the user's fingers from getting pinched. Regardless of the opening setting, it is nearly impossible to pinch parts of the hand while normal use. And of course, we offer our new KNIPEX TwinGrip in different versions. Conclusion: our new KNIPEX TwinGrip slip joint pliers are the universal problem solver for all types of worn-out bolts, fasteners and screws. The slim design of the pliers provides an optimum accessibility to hard-to-reach components in very confined areas. Problems with worn-out drives of screws, fasteners and bolts, which can no longer be untightened, now belong to the past with the new KNIPEX TwinGrip slip joint pliers.